How to fix Genshin Impact stuck at loading screen on iPhone. So whenever you try to launch the Genshin Impact app, you stuck in loading screen. Follow these quick and easy solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet connection. To check your internet working fine or not, open a browser and open a random website. If the website loading not opening, then open your iPhone control center, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, and then turn it back off. You can also switch your internet between Wi-Fi or cellular. Make sure to use a stable internet connection and then try to relaunch the Genshin Impact app. The second solution is update the app. Go to your app store, search for Genshin Impact. If you see any update available, update the app and check the problem. The third solution is offload the app. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage. Tap on Genshin Impact. Tap on offload app again, and then you will get reinstall option here. So reinstall the Genshin Impact app from here and then check the issue. And the last solution is free up your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is running out, then you can offload or uninstall unnecessary apps and games from your iPhone. Also, you can delete unnecessary photos and videos to free up your iPhone storage. This solution will fix Genshin Impact stuck at loading screen issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.